a fairly common use case around directives is using D3, which is a phenomenally powerful data visualization library. So there's going to be a D3 workshop very soon here. And he was kind enough, Ian, to send me a directive, an Angular directive using D3. I am certainly by no means a D3 expert, but I think it's worth pointing out that it is possible and you can do some really interesting things with this. So I'm back in Notorious. So I am in the Angular D3 folder in the project. And what this looks like, which I think is totally awesome, and this is actually the wrong one. Did I grab? Hang on. So that's something I grabbed off of Plunker. But oh, here it is. Sorry, it's Angular Sparkline. And so he sent this to me last night, and I think this is pretty awesome. So for here, he sent in you were basically passing in a data structure. We can regenerate this data structure, and in this case, it's just totally random. But now in real time, it's like updating this chart. And so that is pretty cool that you actually have D3 that's doing the layout and the visualization, but then it's being bound to Angular, which is handling and owning the data structure that this graph is built on. And so this is something for me personally that I am super excited to start hacking on and getting into. And kind of how this works is, so you can see, let me just zoom this out. We're basically just setting the data to, it's just doing some randomization, whatever. But when I do that, it's going through and it's randomizing and updating it. Now, one thing about the data definition object is you can actually define this stuff inline. I generally do it outside of it. In this case, you can see it inline. But we're simply saying restrict this to element, replace it. This is the template that we want to use. So when you actually go